All right, honey, let me get some honey buns. I'm hungry. I left the house. I don't want this stuff that I got in the house. You know, I'm grateful and thankful. I just don't want that. You get what I'm. All right, so I definitely needed to get some honey buns. It's for here while I'm out here doing these videos. So let's go. So many new items at Dollar Tree in Bloomfield, New Jersey, like this right here. You looking for some new items? Honey, I got you. I got you. You're going to be impressed with these items because when I first came inside Dollar Tree, I said, oh my goodness, where is Dollar Tree getting the items from? Check this out. So you was looking for new items. Dollar Tree is definitely in a place to be. Absolutely love this collection. Check this out. You're going to like this, Linda. I promise you. Oh my goodness, look at this. So Dollar Tree has Winnie the Pooh silicone scrubber. These are so cute. They also have Minnie Mouse over here. They also have, hold on, chill. Oh, Stitch. Really, really nice for the little kids. $1.50. All right, so look at this new item. These are for Harvest. These are $1.50. They have Life is Better with Friends, the squirrel, the fox, the raccoon. Absolutely love these. They have the kitchen towels, the oven mitts. They also have more kitchen towels, a different design. My fave is definitely this one, I guess, because it's like a little on the plain side. Although I like to make a statement, but I definitely like this one better. They also have the kitchen towels like this, the same as that concept. They also have the flour sack. These are cute. Flour sack towels. Really, really nice. They also have these saucers over here. Really, really cute. Oh, check this out. They also have the tumblers over here. Life is Better. Really, really nice. And these lights up. They also have the containers. $1.50. Honey, not bad at all. And then they also have these bottles over here that comes in different colors. These are definitely new. They have the red and the orange. Really, really fancy. Now, when it comes to the hand sanitizers, Dollar Tree just, you know, they have so many different ones. They have the hand sanitizer, the fall theme, the pumpkin ginger citrus. These are really, really cool. I like these. And then they also have the Touchland Touchland dupes, moisturizing hand sanitizer that comes in two different scents, cucumber mint and then also watermelon scented. Now, Dollar Tree has these liquid soaps over here. Now, my fave definitely was, I think it was the Moroccan jasmine scented. They also have the Thai, the French rose. They also have the Brazilian orange scented. These are $1.25. And when it comes to more hand sanitizers, they definitely have more. Still for theme, absolutely love this. My loves, when I tell you Dollar Tree has so many new items, oh my goodness. You want to check this video out, Linda. So Dollar Tree also have the Crimson Cranberry. These little candles over here, the pumpkin ginger ale. Now, I smelled the Crimson Cranberry. It smelled good, but it don't seem like it's gonna last that long. Let's get us a sniff, the pumpkin ginger ale. I'm not really getting it sweat, okay? The sniff is not strong at all. So for these, the small ones, this is definitely a no-go for me. These are $1.50, but they're no-go for me. So many new items at Dollar Tree in Bloomfield, New Jersey, like this right here. This is the Rice Water Foaming Eczema Cleanser with chamomile and rice ferment. Check them out. Dollar Tree, $1.25. Global Beauty. They also have the Rice Water Milky Toner over here. This is $1.25 as well. Honey, they out here delivering. Check this. So another item that is fairly new is the Naturally Moisturizing. This is the Face and Body Spray by Vive. This is $1.25. Targets dry skin, benefits deeply, hydrates skin, and reduces water loss. Suited for all skin types. They also have these pads that they brought back, Dollar Tree, the toning pads with glycolic acid, lemon, and honey. And then they also have the clarifying toning pads. Now, in each container comes 40 pads for $1.25. I think that's a steal deal like Holyfield. Dollar Tree also have these new pineapple peel off cleansing and refreshing face masks. This is so cute from Biomiracle. And then they also have a cranberry blueberry gel, $1.25 as well. If you guys are looking for some more cleaning, facial, skincare items, Dollar Tree definitely has it. They have the Citrine Facial Cleanser Refreshing. They also have the Amethyst Facial Scrub and also the Jade Gel Cream Moisturizer. This is $1.25. Oh, I thought this was new, honey. Now, when I seen this, I said, oh my goodness, look at this. Compared to Secret Whole Body Deodorant Invisible Cream. Personal care, long-lasting odor control. Now, the fragrance is peach and vanilla blossom, aluminum free. This is $1.25. This is definitely a new item. Now, of course, Dollar Tree has their Halloween costumes out for the little girls over here. This is so cute. The princess shoes. Create a costume, $1.75. So I'm guessing all these items over here is $1.75. This is so cute. The little cat, really nice. They have the headbands over here, and not only do they have one color when it comes to the princess shoes, they also have the blue and also the purple hair extensions. Anyone skirt, they also have glitter wings. I remember these from last year. They have the glitter butterfly wings. Oh, they also have pink as well when it comes to the glitter shoes. Headbands. My daughter Amani, I had bought this for her last year. Honey, she ain't wear it. They also have these masks over here. These tiaras. They have also with the earrings. I bought this for Amani last year too. She ain't weird. I think she bought this, but when it came to the earrings, she was like, honey, that is a no-go. They also have the wands over here for the little girls. These are so cute. Witch brooms. I had bought this last year. Honey didn't do nothing with it. It's still in the closet as we speak. I believe these are $1.50 because they got that red tag. Now, an item that definitely was a hit was this length mascara right here. Absolutely love this. Actually, I have this on my eyelashes right now. Okay, so I have it on my lashes now. Absolutely love that one. And then I also have brought this other one that's brand new. Is LA Colors Lift and Lock. Check this out. So this is the LA Colors Lift and Lock one. If you see the curve on a brush, you can tell that these are completely two different mascaras. One is for length and the other one is for lash lifting, $1.25, a steal deal. Now, another new item that Dollar Tree has is the Perfecta 4-in-1. Absolutely, this was a steal deal like Holyfield Maybelline for $1.25. Honey, it was really good. Light, not too much going on, and is a primer, concealer base. Really amazing. Now, this is a new nail polish, but I had heard another content creator say that when you buy this, make sure that you check this up really good, because they said that it's old. But this one, it seems like, you know, it's moving groovy. Look, it don't seem old to me. This is $1.25. They also have the gel one as well. I don't see the gel one. Now, another cool item Dollar Tree has is these placemat Halloween themes, like this spider web. Really cool. This is $1.50. They also have these little glow-in-the-dark trays over here. This is $1.50 as well. If you guys are looking for like these, it's called the breaker. These are $1.50 as well. Really cool. Poison. All of them, honey, says poison. Other amazing items that Dollar Tree has is these tumblers over here, which are so cute. They have different ones. These lights up, really fancy. They also have the ghost ones. These stackable mugs over here, absolutely love these. These are cute. These are $1.50. Okay, they got their sign right up there, like honey is $1.50. Really nice. They also have these tumblers, these bottles over here. I absolutely love these for $1.50. That is a steal deal like Holyfield. But what really gets me is the stackable cups up here, these mugs. Those are really fancy. Now Dollar Tree also have some more tumblers over here, the glow in the dark tumblers, these green ones right here. They also have this color. This color is really fancy, really nice. They also have the black ones down at the bottom, and then also the purple ones. Now Dollar Tree also have this last laboratory. You get 2 pieces for $1.50. Oh, I like this skeleton head. Honey, it's always the skeletons for me, like especially around this time. These are $1.50. This is cool. I like this. Another cool item that Dollar Tree has is these mugs right here. Now, I know one of you guys said that you definitely was on the lookout for these. They have them in different colors, about 3 different colors, the green, the orange, also the brown. Absolutely like these. And when it comes to the mugs, honey, I can't get enough of these mugs. $1.50. Really cute. Go right along with the oven mitts, the kitchen towels, and also the pot holders. So when it comes to the little toys, if you have a toddler, a little one is 3+ or a little younger than, well, probably 3+, right? They have these shopping carts over here. Includes 1 shopping cart, 7 play foods. This is so fun, all right? Bringing my inner child out. They also have the modeling dough kits with 2s. These are $3. Really fun Play-Doh. You get 6 different colors. And this is, I want to say $3 as well. Oh, these are cute. The puzzles. Look at this. With Elmo and Cookie Monster. Really nice. Another fun item is the jumbo light up pumpkins. These are $6. They also have the skeleton. Oh, child, what in the world? I guess this is a pumpkin too. A pumpkin that went rotten, I guess. All right. Now, Dollar Tree also have the 20-count LED icicle lights. These are $7. They also have the LED hanging, remote taper candles. These are $5. I absolutely like these. And then they also have the 60-count LED spider web. This doesn't have a price. I want to say this is, let's see, honey, because they got the scanner right here. All right, so these are $6. And if you guys didn't know, Dollar Tree already has the Christmas items out, like the confetti. They have the glitter stickers. They also have the felt ornaments, the foam sheets, felt finger puppets. Honey, you name it, Dollar Tree gonna claim it. DIY wood frames. Really cool paint sets. Honey, Christmas in August. All right. They also have these little Christmas trees. I like these trees. I had brought one of these like for Halloween because they have these like trees during Halloween. I believe, yeah, these are $1.50. They also have the ribbon out and then also the elf on the shelf. Now, if you guys are looking for a hand soap, definitely one of my faves at Dollar Tree is the watermelon and basil. When I tell you it smells so good, really good. Not this one, honey. The cactus and flower, this one is where it's at. It smells absolutely divine. Now, if your Dollar Tree has these still carrying these, honey, you're a lucky soul. Because the Dollar Tree, like where I live, they don't no longer carry these. They only have the single ones. And these are $3.50 or $3.25. Really good. Because you get 3 of these for $3.25. Honey, that's a steal deal like Holyfield. Now, another item that Dollar Tree has, if you have not seen, they have the Yogi. This is a name brand organic latte, 50 calories. They also have the one with 90 calories, and then they also have the organic matcha latte. This one is new. I have not seen this one. This one has 80 calories. Really, really good. Now, Dollar Tree also have these new drinks. They new in my eyes. Wild Bill's Craft Beverage. This is a ring pop blue raspberry craft soda. Prom, I stay away from prom. Well, I, don't want my children really drinking prom. But, honey, you got to do what works for you, okay? The sparkling ice caffeine. Let me know in the comment section if you guys drink this. And if so, how are they?